today, no bikes. Look, Onyx is over there. Saron's in the shop, basically. The battery is. Today, no riding at all. We're talking about number 2. And in this box, we have a $1,000 toilet, which I thought a long time about before buying this. This is the one that the van lifers get, though. I don't know why it's $1,000. It's basically a tub. It's basically a big plastic tub with a crank on the side and a tube. And you can buy a porcelain toilet with pipes and bowls of water and all kinds of stuff for like $250. So I don't understand why this toilet is $1,000, but I needed it. I'm gonna try not to use it too much, but sometimes, you know, sometimes it's nice to have one. The way this toilet works is here's my closet AC. You guys made fun of my AC before. We'll talk about that later. The way this works is you mush up this stuff, Cocoa Bliss Premium Coconut Core Pith, and you shit into it, and then you mix it up, and it becomes compost. Never cut towards yourself. Okay, wow, looks cool. Wow. That's it? That's it. $1,000. Okay. Just for you. Oh, there's all kinds of junk in there. Thank God. This is just for me. $1,000. That's like a nice electric scooter. A nice, you know, 250 watt electric scooter. Okay, reach down into the bucket. Okay, tube. This goes on, well, whatever side. Oh, there's 2 sides, huh? Okay, you can pick whatever side. You can pick what side you want the crank on and what side you want the vent on. That's kind of cool. With Airhead, you have to pick when you order. Doesn't that come off? I think this comes off. Not looking forward to cleaning this out. Apparently you can, one person can doo-doo in this pretty regularly before you have to change it. Okay. I think I'm going to have it right here. Right next to my bed for convenience. But it has to, you need to be able to take this thing off. I guess that's enough space to take that thingy off. Did we get everything out of there? So basically the way this works is there's some kind of trap door, which is open right now. Oh yeah. So look, you keep that closed. Keep the stinky stuff down there. And if you're male or female, you still sit to pee on this. Although I probably won't be peeing in this too much unless I'm number 2ing while number 1ing. You can't number 2 without number 1, so you gotta do, sit down. The hell hole opens up, terrible smell I'm assuming, and then you dookie, and then as soon as you're done you stop it. Oh, and then you gotta open this to get the pee out as well. Wow, looks cool. I don't know if it's $1,000 cool. Oh, mailman. My mailman here is just as cool as my mailman in LA, who I miss dearly. But I showed him. Got some little brackets to stick it to the ground, I'm assuming. And then we got a fart fan, the electricity for the fart fan. Some little knobs and a cap. Maybe that's for the pee-pee. Who knows? I already decided I want my crank on the left side. Let's put the crank on. Come on, mix up the poop. That's a good mix. That is a good mix. Let me see. This, I'm assuming, goes here. That's for when it's time to take the pee somewhere. What are these for, and what are those little screws for? Screws. Okay. Nature's head. Does this have a fart fan on both sides? Or is that just a vent on both sides? Okay, there's a fan. And there's no fan. Why is there two? Why is there two vents? How do you plug up the? I don't want a vent that goes into the poop world. So here's what I thought happened. I thought you could pick this up, take it somewhere, and then go throw it in the woods. But I guess these go on the ground. You have to unscrew the whole thing. Oh my God. Are we gonna have enough space? I think I'm gonna have to scoot my bed that way a little bit more. Which means I'm gonna have to cut that little leg. Okay, same shit, different day. We plumbed our intake, or not intake, exhaust into the floor here, right next to the wheel well. So the tire's right here, and this is the stinky smell coming out on the inside of the tire. I feel like that's gonna be fine, but we got no stinky smells yet. We're not in the driveway anymore. We're in some industrial neighborhood in Minneapolis. I was just by a beautiful lake. Would have been great to make the video there, but I didn't have to shit as bad as I do right now. So we're gonna make this video here. This is our coconut core pith. Let's make sure there's nothing in there, like instructions or anything. I don't see anything in there. Nice clean toilet. I want to keep it clean. I wish I could just have a clean toilet forever, but that's not realistic. Okay, let's look at this. Coconut core pith. I don't know how much to use either. Here, I'm gonna take the top off, just so we can see a little bit better at the process. Man, that's a clean $1,000 toilet. Okay, nothing's in there. I think all we do is, oh, that's a brick. Huh. Do I get it wet first? I swear I saw them just break this in half. I'm supposed to shit into this? Well, let's just put it down there. Pour a bunch of water on it. Huh. Not having high hopes. Okay. So far, pretty gross, and there's not even any poo-poo in there yet. Oh, we also got our 12-volt system running up to the battery. Did all that off camera. Wasn't hard. You've seen it before. It's just 12 volts. Okay, this is like falling apart now. It's all mushy on the butt. This is disgusting. Okay, it's getting all over my... Oh! It's getting all over my bus. I think the trick... This is... This is not what I expected. I thought this was just gonna break up. Damn! Making a mess. How much do I use? Man, that's okay. We got a shot vac. Let's take our pee diverter, our urine diverter, clean that off. That's unused as well. Not looking forward to pissing in that nice clean jug. Nice clean $1,000 jug. Okay, that's one brick. I'm just supposed to doo-doo into that? I'm supposed to doo-doo into that. I don't think so. Okay, little dookie bricks, here comes some water for you. Gotta water my little dookie bricks. Oh, that might, okay. That's a good amount. Okay, now we're agitating it. Oh, look, there's some dry spots. You gotta keep it agitated. Should I watch a video on this before I just ruin my $1,000 toilet? Okay, so we haven't even dookied in this, and this is already kind of a process. Okay, gardening 101 with Dylan. And you dookie down there. That's where you dookie. And then you just, I don't know guys. And then you put this here. It's not plugged in yet. I mean, I know it barely uses any electricity, but oh, I got core pith all over my sheets. Okay. Now we just gotta shit in it. All right, guys, we did it. I did it. It's been a couple weeks since my last video about the toilet, or the last time I recorded about the toilet, but I can assure you I just went number 2 in there and I smelled nothing, and it was a pretty harmless process. I got my TV right here. I can just watch TV and do my business. I smell nothing, even though there's a hole right here that just goes right into the hell hole, but it's sucking out the other side. I just wonder what happens if I run out of power and the poop fan doesn't work anymore. But I went outside also, and I tried to smell if I could smell it outside. I couldn't smell nothing. Very simple process. Yes, it's $1,000, but I think it's a good toilet. I think it's a good toilet. I'll leave a link for it down below. And huge shout out to my patrons who helped me get this toilet. Because of you guys, I can dookie in my bus. Love you guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for helping me with the toilet and the diesel. Save a dinosaur. Poop into a bunch of ground up coconut shell husks and then spin it around with an agitator on the side. I'm gonna have to make another video when it's time to empty this, but so far I'm pretty happy with my purchase. Have a good day, guys. Peace.